Hello, trading is closed on September 17th, 2018. My last call said unless we gapped up and took out these highs that lower prices should print. Here's my target. It's also a support resistance level on that printed. During the day, MEJT gave a sell signal here and that worked. It worked. Says ultimately higher prices will print. 2900.18 is the target, and usually you get more than the minimum. However, at major changes in trend, MEJT just about always leaves a failed target. There's no law that says this has to print tomorrow or anytime soon. Usually these print soon, but it just means ultimately, even if it's a year from now, that should print. Well, it's not too hard to call tomorrow. This is a pattern with an early low, late high. If it doesn't rally, it doesn't gap up and take out this high tomorrow, lower prices should print. Starting high, closing at the low is negative. Unless you invalidate it by gapping up over this high, lower prices should print. Futures are already down significantly. I'm going to make a not too hard prediction that we're not going to gap over this high and we're going to trade under this low. Now, whether or not it still pays to go short at current futures prices, I have no call on that. But I will say that I had a lot of stuff calling for resistance here at the absolute high. And I also have a lot of other people's stuff calling for resistance here. Once we go under the 2850s, I think the chances are good that a very sizable decline will begin. And this action now has a chance, there's a good chance this high might hold for some time. Not definite yet. And that's today's call.